Hi fellow crafters, I'm back today with another easy Christmas card idea. This one also helps you to use up your paper scraps. This card idea would be perfect for those last minute Christmas cards, you know, those ones you have to make when you rush out the door. Shall we get started? If this is the first time you're visiting my YouTube channel, welcome and hi, I'm Terry from Nuts About Stamping. I love sharing techniques and project ideas for rubber stamping, paper crafting, and scrapbooking with you each week. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you'll be the first to be notified when my next video goes live. Watch all the way through my video because I will sprinkle in some bonus tips and design ideas. And if you would like to place an order at any point in time for Stampin' Up! Products, I would love for you to choose me. I will link to my online stores in the description box under this video. Now, let's get going on this easy and somewhat unusual layout for a Christmas card. First, you want to select your paper designs. I would recommend two different but complementary patterns and colors, and you'll see why in a moment. So I chose two different designs in the A Walk in the Forest paper pack. I love, 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 love this paper because it was created for a good cause, and I also really like the designs. If you follow me on Facebook, you can check out my Facebook Live where I talk about what makes this paper so special. So the other thing you want to consider is don't choose designs that are really big because you're going to be only using paper strips. So if you cut a strip halfway through the bear or the tree, you're really going to lose the essence of the pattern. You can pick something that is a little bit smaller in design, but again, you want something that's complementary. So what I decided to do was pick this design. I think it's really playful, and I love the stripes on the other side. So this is going to create a little bit of a non-traditional Christmas card look, but it's still fun to create. So let's go ahead and do that now. There are several different colors in the pattern that I chose from the A Walk in the Forest Designer Series paper pack, one of them being Old Olive, and I've decided that Old Olive is going to be my card base, and it's going to be a landscape layout. Now, remember the next thing I said was to choose two corresponding patterns, and you're going to cut two strips from one of the patterns, and then you're going to cut two smaller strips from the corresponding or complementary pattern paper. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lay them out on the card base, directly onto the card base, like so. And that's all there is to it, really. So what I'm going to do is take my multi-purpose liquid glue and I'm going to adhere these 4 strips down, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. All right, there's what it looks like. Now you can see that we have sort of this window in the center. So the next thing we're going to do is create a phrase that will fit perfectly inside that center. I've decided to use one of the phrases from the Brightest Glow stamp set. And what I'm going to do is ink it up and stamp it down onto a scrap piece of basic white using Pretty Peacock ink, because that is one of the other colors in the Designer Series paper that I chose. The next thing I'm going to use is my Something Fancy dies, and I'm going to use one of the dies in the pack, this one in particular, and I'm going to die cut out the phrase. I think it's a perfect fit around there. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be back in a moment. Now, to give my phrase a little bit of visual interest, I've decided I am going to pop it up inside the window like so, just so that it gives a little bit of visual dimension. Would you like to see another easy Christmas card idea? Then here's one that you might want to watch next. And now it's time to use some embellishments to add a bit of bling to this card. what I'm going to do is use my adhesive back glitter sequins. I'm getting better at saying that. And I'm going to add some sequins to this card. And there we go. I added some green sequins and some blue sequins, and that makes the phrase really stand out on this very easy Christmas card. If you would like a complete listing of the supplies that I used and the measurements for the paper strips, I will link to my blog article in the description box under this video. You can link over there and you can get all the information you need, plus the ordering numbers in case you want to order the products I used to make this card. I'm Terry. I am nuts about stamping. I'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.